Hello and welcome to Solving Watercolour. Today I'm painting quite a simple scene. It's quite a fun one of a sunset on a beach, and it's all a bit backwards because I started with the darks first to establish where the horizon line and breaking waves are. Normally you wouldn't do that, you'd start with the lightest colours first, of course. So in order for it to work, I had to wait for the dark part to completely dry before I started in on the wet into wet painting. So you'll see that I painted the top half of the painting first, wet into wet, using a combination of cerulean blue, cadmium orange. The waves were painted in Prussian blue, and then it was just a matter of basically mirroring what I'd painted above on the reflections in the sand. The only thing that you perhaps need to be a bit wary of is having those blues and oranges mix too much, so you definitely don't want to be doing too much brushing on this kind of painting, because when the blue and orange combine they'll tend to make this muddy grey because they're complementary colours. But I explain more about that in the blog post on this particular painting on my website at solvingwatercolor.com, and I've put the link in the description below, and please do go over there and take a look at that, because I've also got 4 other ideas for you. And while you're there, why not download a copy of my free Introduction to Watercolour Painting ebook, which you'll get when you sign up for the newsletter. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please enjoy the video.